Welcome to Vicky's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making sugarless dry fruit ladoo or power balls. Alright, for this recipe we're going to need oatmeal, almonds, cashew nuts, pistachio, dates, coconut powder, raisins, dry cranberries, melon seeds, fennel seeds, black or green cardamom, whatever you have, cloves, chocolate chips, I use a semi-sweet, melon seeds and ghee. Alright, let's turn on the stove. We're gonna roast it some of the stuff, not everything. We're gonna roast our oatmeal. You can choose any flour, but I feel like it's more healthy. That's the reason I'm choosing oatmeal instead of wheat flour or something like that. You can choose it if you want to. So on low heat we're going to roast it. Keep stirring. You don't want to burn it. You can smell the aroma once it's cooked. Raw flavor will be gone. Then you don't need to be more than that, or you can put it in the oven if you're not comfortable with this way. You can put it in the oven for a little bit and keep checking once it's roast, not like kind of dark brown, but it's nice golden. Then you can use any oat, it doesn't matter, because we're gonna blend them, we're gonna grind them, so it doesn't matter. Whatever I had, I use it, so it's not like any specific one you need to use. I can smell it now. I feel it's done. So we're gonna remove the oats in here. Now we're gonna roast a little bit of our almonds, not too much, just a little, so that way if there is any moisture that could make the shelf life longer, because there is less moisture in there. But if you don't do that, that's fine as well. Maybe we could use our cashews in there too. Okay, so we're gonna add in here this is coconut powder. I'm gonna just lightly gonna toast it. It seems like we have a high heat, it does not like it, and you can smell the aroma while you're doing that. We can add our melon seeds in there. You don't have to, if you don't wanna roast or toast anything, you could just put it like that. It does not make any difference, but I like this way, that makes their shelf life longer. Okay, so we're done here. Turn off the stove. We're not gonna roast or toast our raisins or anything else. So I'm gonna use as it is. Probably I should do the little bit our pistachio too, but my person for whom I'm making very picky for certain things, so I have to be very careful. I turned off the stove because it was hot, and I did not turn on back because that's enough heat in there, so you don't need too much. All right, it's good. So next step, we're gonna add everything in here, whatever the stuff you wanted to see it. Sometime I like to see some stuff, but sometime not. So I'm gonna make a laddu, so I have to grind them all. We can blend them together. If you don't like raisin that way, you can leave like that, but I'm gonna do it. I will tell you why. And we're gonna add cranberries and our dates. They're gonna work as our sweetener, and the other stuff I will blend it separately. And I'm not going to blend our chocolate chips. Or let's blend them, then I'll be back. Alrighty, so I blend them together. It's a little coarse. It's not like totally fine paste I made, because I want to see what we add in there. I don't want to waste anything, so that's the reason I have to. Okay, all good. Now our stuff is still hot. What we're gonna do in here, we're gonna add the ghee. If you want to use butter, you can do it, but I'm gonna use ghee, and we're gonna mix it really well. And also I'm gonna adding our chocolate chips in there. So we're gonna mix it all together. So we're gonna mix the ghee really well. If you, at this point, you can check the sugar. If you think that is not enough, you can maybe crush some more dates and then add in there cranberry. If you don't, add some honey in there. I am not using it. I feel it's good. So we mix it together really well. If it's our mixture is really hot, when we add our chocolate chips in there, it's gonna be melting in there, and it helps you to make a laddu. But I think we're good. So our ghee is mixed well. Or there is another thing you can do. You can blend it a little more if you want to, because I want to keep it healthy. No sugar. I don't want to add more honey in there. It's good. So now you can make a laddu, because you can see what you have in there. Some cashew, little things in there. You can see it. You can see some cranberry color in there and some raisins. And I added the after I grind those cardamoms. If you like cinnamon powder, add that. I really like it, but for who I'm making, that person is kind of a little picky, as I said. Not gonna eat it. All right.
Wow, thanks, thank you.
So now we're making a laddu. You can choose any size you want, and looks very good to me. You can smell chocolate in there. Oh, I like that. You can make any size you like. It's not necessarily and you have to make it a bigger size or small. There's no problem with that. Alright, let me make all these, then we'll be back. It looks like this. Make sure you don't make it like too cold, otherwise it will be hard to make a laddu. It will be hard to bind them together. So, alright, let's make all these, then we'll be back. Okay, here is our dry fruit laddu or power balls ready to eat. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care and happy holidays.